front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google, available here. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and this time choose Autofill with Google here. Now you need to scroll down one more time, this time to click on Google Password Manager. Select any password you wanna remove. Enter your screen lock and hit Delete button twice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!